7 years. 7 years more, probably closer to 8, I spent working on this car. Late nights, tons of research, gobs of money, and then during tuning, it broke, the transmission. On 376 millimeter turbo, truck intake. That's why I got that 4-inch cowl hood. Mighty Mouse oil catch can. 67 Mustang radiator. QA1 caster camber plates. Got QA1 adjustable coilovers, front and back. These wheels, they used to be aluminum. I had them powder coated black. Put those wind guards on there. Pulled these seats out of a Mustang in a junkyard because they had the emblem in the anniversary edition. 3-point harnesses, 4-point roll bar, 4 racing removable steering wheel, all aftermarket odometer gauges. Made that gauge mount myself. Getting ready to put sound deadener, vibration deadener on the inside of the doors while replacing the window regulators. Top of the 4-inch cowl hood, put a Cobra front bumper on it, grill delete. This isn't just another Mustang. This represents 7 years of my life. If you're new here, my name's Michael. In a couple weeks, I'm gonna be a first-time dad, having a son here in a couple weeks. And this car has been my dream project for the last 7 years. I was so lucky, I thought to get it. Finally was able to get a Mustang. I wanted a Fox body, but saw this for sale in Oklahoma. I'm in Indiana, and fell in love with it. And me and my buddy Steven drove down. The guy had it loaded up on a trailer, grabbed it and came back. It had no engine, no transmission. I didn't have a passenger seat. All the wiring was jacked. I mean, it has been a real project getting this thing together. I happen to have a 5.3 liter engine that came out of a totaled truck that I got from a relative, and it's like, man, what a great match. Put that bad boy in this Mustang, and ooh, turbocharged. That sounds nice. I bet I could do that. I know how to do stuff. Yeah, here we are. After over 7 years of putting it together, getting the money for it, dumping money on it, returning parts and getting the right ones, and just figuring it all out, I was finally getting to the tuning part. And I had my nephew with me. We went for a ride. Went to go on the interstate so we could get her going nice. And as soon as we hit third gear, there was nothing left. It was just like being in neutral. And that was extremely disappointing. Look at that baby. Oh, she's so nice. I just love her so much. Her name is Sierra, by the way. After losing third and fourth gear, did still have first and second. So, on the way back to the house, me and my nephew had a little fun with first and second gear. That baby would still sing, still ride first, second gear. We get going pretty good with those, but obviously not the same. And the realization that a transmission to handle a turbocharged V8 is not going to be cheap was very disappointing, because I had just dumped every bit of money I could possibly get to into the car, because I was in that last stretch to get it going and wanted it so bad. I dumped everything I had, almost there, into getting it on the road. And then during tuning, that happened, and you can see the dust all over the car. I got it home and pulled the transmission, and it's sat since. And I haven't even hardly thought about it, because the cost of the transmission is very high to handle that amount of power. Plus, I need to change the rear differential gears, because I didn't know any better about the gear ratio for a turbocharged engine. I was figuring all this stuff out along the way, and here we are. But I'm not giving up. I love that car. I spent a lot of time, a lot of money, blood, sweat, and tears into that car, and I want so badly to one day be able to hand that to my son and let it be his. So that's the plan.